December 2019 Sills Argo. We've got some demo models in on special. This is a 2019 Aurora 800, so this has the liquid-cooled 30 horse engine, which is no longer available for 2020. It's too bad. This has been a great motor. It gives you the liquid-cooled option. Person wanted to fabricate his own heater unit and whatnot in. It's always nice. Front rear bench. These machines I think retailed at around $28.9. We've got this one on at $23.9. Next to it, brand new 850 2020. Looks virtually like the same unit. This has got the 33 horse air-cooled Briggs EFI engine in it. Really good working engine. Again, this machine, brand new, just showed up here today. It's a factory demo. It would be typically around the same, $28,999, and I think we've got this one on at $24.9. If anyone's ever wanted to own an MX-8 Avenger, brand new, 2019, Aquatorque tires, cool looking rig. This machine retailed at $29.9, and I think we've got it on at $24.9. Here's another 850 2020. This is the Frontier Specials. I got a whole bunch of these, and we got about half a dozen of these machines. $9,999, brand new Frontier. It's got the 18 carbureted Briggs & Stratton engine. You can see, guys, these machines aren't put together yet. I still got to PDI them. This is the new 6x6 Scout 2020. This machine here is a 2018, I believe, Frontier. You can own this machine for under $20,000 with rubber tracks, windshield, convertible top. Brand new machine, full warranty.